name is Jeremy Parsons. I'm the CEO at Mantaro. Mantaro is a product development services company. We design electronic products for our customers. The customers range from large Fortune 500 companies to small startups. We do hardware and software development. We also have a line of telepresence robots called the Mantaro telepresence robots, and that's what we use the ARTI platform with. All of our current platforms are wheeled bases. We actually have designed our own wheel bases. We don't buy those from any specific vendors. They're very good in a nice, flat, smooth environment. So like an office or factory floor that's a fairly nice area. We've had a number of customers come to us and say, this would be great, but in my environment, it's really not going to be practical, just because they don't necessarily have clean floors. They have cables on them. They've got maybe a step that they need to be able to transition over, or they may need a more stable platform. With the wheel base, it kind of tends to have a narrowly constrained platform. They may want something that's a little bit more rugged. It's able to go up and down slopes, up and down steps. So we kind of looked around and see, what are the available tracked options that we could incorporate, and ARTI was clearly the superior solution to this. It's an articulated track platform that allows you to go over obstacles, and you really don't have to design any new control systems in order to make it do that. You can essentially take the same control systems that you would run a wheeled robot, install that on ARTI, and you get essentially the same driving performance, except you can go over steps, stairs, obstacles without really any issues. I mean, the thing that really makes ARTI unique is its ability to go up and down stairs. You do not need to put it into any kind of a special mode to make it do that. You basically just tell it to go forward, point it at the stairs, and it'll climb up the stairs or climb down the stairs, climb up and down a step or over an obstacle. So that's very unique. You'll see a lot of other tracked robotic platforms out there, and in order to go up a stair, you kind of have to actuate other motors or other kind of devices in order to get it to get into the right position to go up and down the stairs. With ARTI, it's basically just point and shoot. You just push the direction you want it to go, and it'll just go right over whatever is in your way. I mean, in general, the way the platform is designed is very easy for you to make modifications or adapt it to your specific application. It comes apart very easily if you need to get inside and add your electronics or build upon it. The other thing that was really valuable that was provided from Transcend was providing mechanical drawings. So we're able to actually customize our mechanical enclosure to be able to fit right on the ARTI without having to kind of do a whole bunch of measurements. We were able to basically take the mechanical drawings and model it and basically adapt our electronics and mechanics to the platform without kind of having to reverse engineer anything. The benefits for using ARTI in our environment is we're really trying to develop robots for our customers on a very rapid schedule. So ARTI comes basically prepackaged such that we can add our capabilities to it very quickly and easily. So that is really a huge advantage from a savings in time and cost to get a platform from concept to the customer site. The ARTI platform, I think, is really flexible in the applications. It's really any type of environment that is not your standard level office environment. So it can be used outside on kind of a rugged terrain, within a factory floor where there are obstacles or steps or stairs that it needs to transition, go over cables or cable trays. Potentially a construction environment, going over like 2x4s that may be left lying around, possible security applications where you want it to patrol a particular area. I mean, there's just kind of an infinite number of applications that it can be used in.